Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming support and gathering credentials. ESIM requires a compatible phone and the carrier's QR or activation code. Once ready, open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and tap Add Cellular Plan. Use your camera to scan the carrier QR code. Scanning is quickest because it imports SMDP Plus and activation data automatically. If scanning fails, choose Enter Details manually. Doing this now prevents credential mismatch and speeds activation, so proceed without delay. Once the QR is accepted, or you've entered manual SMDP Plus and the activation code, the phone will validate the profile with the carrier. Make sure to pick a descriptive label so you can identify this line later, and decide whether this ESIM will be your default for voice, data, or iMessage. If you're replacing a deleted profile, disable or remove the old plan to prevent duplicate routing. This step avoids routing conflicts and ensures the new ESIM becomes active for calls and mobile data. Finish by restarting your device to complete provisioning. Once rebooted, confirm signal bars, make a test call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify data. If the ESIM shows provisioning or no service, toggle airplane mode, wait 30 seconds, then retry. This forces re-registration. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier with the ESIM IXID and activation code because they can push the profile server side. That single troubleshooting move resolves most activation failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.